Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set brass rivets. I'm upgrading these old rivets, so first I have to take those out very carefully. You're gonna need one of these tools to push the ring down the rivet post. Next, use a pair of diagonal pliers to trim the end of the post. Leave about 2 millimeters, then use a light hammer to gently shape the end of the post with very light taps like this. Now the question is this: do you prefer rapid rivets, which are cheap and easy to set, or do you prefer solid brass rivets, which are quite expensive and it takes a little bit of time and skill to set? Let me know in the comments.